Causes of a car engine overheating.
Engine overheating is a critical issue that can result in severe damage if not addressed promptly. It occurs when the engine temperature exceeds the optimal operating range, often due to problems in the cooling system or external factors. Here is an explanation of the primary causes of engine overheating. 1. Low coolant levels or leaks. One of the most common causes of overheating is insufficient coolant in the system. Coolant circulates through the engine to absorb heat and transfer it to the radiator for dissipation. If the coolant level is too low, the engine won't cool effectively, leading to overheating. Low coolant levels often result from leaks in the radiator, hoses, or water pump. A compromised head gasket can also allow coolant to escape into the engine's combustion chamber or oil system, further reducing its effectiveness. 2. Malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant between the engine and the radiator. When the engine is cold, the thermostat remains closed, allowing the engine to warm up. Once it reaches operating temperature, the thermostat opens to let coolant flow and maintain a stable temperature. If the thermostat becomes stuck closed, coolant circulation is blocked, causing the engine to overheat rapidly. Conversely, a thermostat stuck open can prevent the engine from reaching optimal temperature, affecting performance and fuel efficiency. 3. Faulty radiator or cooling fan. The radiator is responsible for dispersing heat from the coolant as it passes through its fins. A clogged or damaged radiator reduces its ability to dissipate heat efficiently, leading to an overheated engine. Similarly, the cooling fan plays a crucial role in pulling air through the radiator, especially when the vehicle is stationary or moving slowly. If the fan motor or its sensors fail, the radiator won't receive adequate airflow, causing the temperature to rise. 4. Broken or failing water pump. The water pump is the heart of the cooling system, pushing coolant through the engine, hoses, and radiator. If the water pump fails due to wear, a broken impeller, or a loose belt, coolant flow is disrupted, resulting in overheating. Symptoms of a failing water pump include leaks, grinding noises, or engine overheating even with sufficient coolant. 5. Blocked coolant passages. Over time, rust, dirt, and debris can accumulate in the cooling system, creating blockages in the radiator, heater core, or engine's coolant passages. These blockages hinder the coolant's ability to flow freely, reducing the system's capacity to regulate temperature. Regular flushing of the cooling system can help prevent such buildup. 6. Damaged or worn belts and hoses. Belts drive critical components like the water pump and cooling fan, while hoses transport coolant throughout the system. If a belt slips or breaks, it can halt the water pump or fan, leading to overheating. Similarly, old or cracked hoses can leak coolant or collapse, restricting flow. Periodic inspection and replacement of belts and hoses can prevent such issues. 7. Extreme driving conditions. Driving in high temperatures, towing heavy loads, or frequent stop-and-go traffic can put additional strain on the cooling system. These conditions generate excessive heat, which the cooling system may struggle to manage, particularly if it is not in optimal condition. Drivers in hot climates or those using their vehicles for heavy-duty tasks should ensure their cooling system is up to the challenge. 8. Problems with the engine oil. Engine oil not only lubricates moving parts but also aids in heat dissipation. Low oil levels or degraded oil can result in increased friction and heat within the engine. Without sufficient lubrication, the engine generates more heat than the cooling system can handle, contributing to overheating. 9. Air trapped in the cooling system. Air pockets can form in the cooling system due to improper filling or leaks. These air pockets disrupt the flow of coolant, creating hot spots in the engine. Proper bleeding of the cooling system is essential to remove trapped air and ensure efficient operation. 10. External factors or modifications. External obstructions like debris blocking the radiator grill or installing oversized aftermarket parts can impede airflow to the radiator. Additionally, improper modifications to the engine or cooling system can upset the balance required to maintain optimal temperatures, increasing the risk of overheating.